This is a quick tip from Adventures in Beekeeping. All beekeepers should remember these sequences that I'm going to give you. The first one is 3, 6, 12, worker. And the next one is 3, 6, 15, drone. And the last one is 3, 5, 8, queen. Now, what do these numbers mean? 3, 6, 12, worker is 3 days an egg, 6 days a larva, and 12 days capped. The drone one is 3, 6, 15. It's 3 days an egg, 6 days a larva, and 15 days capped. And then, of course, the queen one is 3, 5, 8, queen. 3 days an egg, 5 days a larva, 8 days capped. Queen. Now, why are these important? Why are these numbers important? When you're doing a hive inspection, one of the things that you look for is eggs, larvae, and capped brood. And you're looking at the worker brood. And this gives an indication of the health of the queen. So if you look into your hive and you see eggs, then you know that the queen has been there in the last 3 days. If you see larvae, then you know that the queen has been there in less than 9 days, 3 and 6. If you go into your hive and all you see is capped brood and you don't see any eggs or larvae, then you know that the queen hasn't been there for probably 10 days. So this might be a cause for concern, but that's another video, another tip. But you should remember these numbers: 3, 5, 8, queen, 3, 6, 12, worker, and 3, 6, 15, drone. This has been a quick tip from Adventures in Beekeeping. God bless and have a great day.